Hey guys, let's take a look at how Terraform's range function works. So Terraform range function actually can be used in 3 different ways. So it can be used, let's do locals and do a range 1. It can be used with a single argument. So if I do it like this, let's do it with a 2. This will be the limit. So this will create a list with 2 elements. It will have 0 and 1. We can use it with 2 arguments, and if you use it with 2 arguments, it will have an initial step and a limit. So this will do 1, 2, 3, 4. And if we use it with 3 arguments, it will have the initial step, let's do a 2. It will have the last step, let's do 10, and it will have an increment basically, which would be another 2. So this will actually create a list with 2, 4, 6, and 8. But let's do some outputs to also see them. So range 1, this will be local.range1, and I'll just copy and paste this block 3 times and do range 2 and range 3. So let's Terraform init first and Terraform apply. So if you look here, you'll see it has a 0 and 1 for range 1, as I said before, 1, 2, 3, 4 for range 2, and 2, 4, 6, and 8 for range 3. So this can be particularly useful if you want to, for example, create a list of CIDR blocks. You can easily do like for I in range of, let's say 3, something like this, or let's do actually a 1 and 4. And this will be, let's do 10.0.I.0/24. So this will create 3 CIDR blocks. It will have 10.0.1.0.24, .2.0.24, and .3.0/24. So if I do an output here for the CIDR blocks, we can easily just say this is local.CIDR blocks, and if I apply the code again, we will see that now we have a list of CIDR blocks that we can easily use in an AWS subnet resource. You can use range with AWS VPC resources, for example, and I could do something like this and do a count equal to length of range of 5, and this will actually create 4 VPCs. You'll have to provide the CIDR block. You could do something like I've done above for the subnets, or you can directly do something like 10.0.count.index.0/16, and this will just, create 4 different CIDR blocks, incrementing the count index for each of the VPCs. You could do the same with for each, so I can say this is equal to to set first, because for each works with sets and with maps. So we can say something like for I in range of 4, let's say, and I want to do like VPC %I, and this will actually transform into a set that looks like this. So VPC1, VPC0, VPC1, and so on. This can be even used in dynamic blocks, so you have a lot of options in which you can use the range function. And that's it for this one. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified when new videos are posted. See you the next time.